What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to do a quick unpackaging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, for some new riding gloves. Saw an ad on Facebook, figure I'd give these guys a chance, called Saints of Speed. Let's check them out. So what we have here is their black Paisley model. First thoughts, really good quality leather on the palms. Padded knuckles. Material feels really good as well. And just giving a quick little tug, the stitching all looks pretty good as well. Let's take them out of the packaging here and try one on and see how they feel. So use their sizing guide to determine what size I actually needed to order, and let me tell you, these are comfortable. Top material is very, very breathable, and like I said, the bottom of it here, really good quality leather, decent amount of padding. Looks like we got a touch sensitive finger pad, so you should be able to still use your phone if you happen to use your phone while you got it mounted on your bike. Overall, first impressions, really good. I'm very happy with what I paid for them, and we'll see how they go. Give a long-term review later on down the road, and let you guys know how I feel about them.